Trump administration sparks more confusion as a federal funding freeze memo is rescinded. This comes less than 24 hours after an order went into effect to pause some federal aid.
This also comes as the deportation of undocumented migrants continues across the country. Thank you for joining us for CBS News Detroit at 5. I'm Terrence Friday.
And I'm Meredith Bruckner. Today's announcement also coincides with a job buyout offer to nearly 2 million civilian federal employees. Danya Backus has the latest from Los Angeles.
This afternoon, the president's budget office rescinded an order to freeze spending on federal grants.
Social Security, Medicare, Medicaid have not been affected. We are merely looking at parts of the big bureaucracy where there has been tremendous waste and fraud and abuse.
The directive would have affected states, schools, and organizations that rely on trillions of dollars from Washington, a spending cut plan Democrats slammed.
This has woken up the American people about what this administration is up to.
White House Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt says removing the order is meant to clear up confusion, adding executive orders issued on funding reviews remain in full force and effect. On Tuesday, the Trump administration sent a letter to the nation's nearly 2 million civilian federal workers, offering a buyout to those who don't want to return to the office full time.
We think a very substantial number of people will not show up to work, and therefore our government will get smaller and more efficient.
Today, President Trump signed into law his first piece of legislation since retaking office. The Laken-Riley Act mandates the detention and potential deportation of people in the U.S. illegally who are charged with theft or violent crimes.
It's a landmark law that we're doing today. It's going to save countless innocent American lives.
We're out arresting numerous cases throughout the state that were all public safety cases.
Meanwhile, Immigration and Customs Enforcement, or ICE, continues to carry out targeted enforcement actions around the country. This one in Baltimore, Maryland, resulted in a series of arrests. Danya Backus, CBS News.